The tablet hardness analyzer is a device for measuring the hardness of tablets. The tablet is pressed and artificially compressed. This process is monitored by a high-precision sensor, and the hardness values are displayed on the front panel. The hardness of the tablets is tested continuously. The largest batch is 100 pieces. Detailed setup instructions for this hardness tester model are available. Prior to shipment, the analyzers are inspected and tested in-house. Kitting and working order is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru is one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.